Okay, so a brief update video. Got a hold of a Saramonic Smartrig UC, so I can use this to plug straight into my phone with the C port. I can't really hear the audio right now. I don't understand, but that's something I'm gonna have to learn as I do this. But I got a microphone that should be directly up against the cab, and I'll have to learn about the sweet spot and all that. I gotta learn a lot of stuff, like to prevent it from crackling, to get the best audio, what distortion will work, what clean channel will work. There's just a mess now. If it works out okay, I'm gonna get the dual one that I could put a microphone in. Well, it'll be two microphones. It'll be one straight to the amp and then one for talking and vocals. I also would enjoy miking these at some point. They're great amps. I enjoy them. It's going to be a learning process, so some of my newer videos are going to have this. If I really don't like the audio, though, I might go back to some of the old ways a little bit, but it's going to be a trial and error thing, and so every video might start to sound a little different here or there. For the best or for the worst, I don't know yet.